Okay everyone, today I'm going to show you how to configure DHCP from Mikrotik and get internet access as clients. Now, before we begin our configuration, first thing that we need to do is to setting this network adapter. Especially in Mikrotik, you need to setting the first network adapter as bridge and the second one as host only. And in client, you must setting it as host only. Now I'm going to show you. In this case, I'm going to use two clients, so I have both of them use host only. And then what we're going to do is to add some IP, like what I'm already doing in here. To add IP, just click add and add. This will give you. This will inputting this command will allow you to add IP address to the Mikrotik. And then we need to setting the DNS and the route. Both of them can be get from the internet provider, from our internet provider. In here I'm using my internet access, and the DNS and route is 192.168.43 and 1. And after this you need to you need to setting the DHCP server. If you want to configure the DHCP server, what you need to input is IP DHCP server setup. But I'm already doing it, and to check if our DHCP server is already made, we can check it with IP pool PR. See, I'm already made one. Now the IP would be the DHCP IP would range from the end of 15.2 to 15.10. Now what we're going to do is making sure that this Mikrotik is already connected to the internet. If we want to check it, we can just ping the website. That if we want to check the internet, if this Mikrotik already connected to internet, we can use it. We can use the ping command and then ping a website, for example google.com. Yep, it's alright. Yep, it's can. Now we're going to use, if you done that, you should using IPnet with IP firewall net command. You can setting up the firewall net, but I'm not doing it, and this is how it would look. Okay, and then after this we could check the client and see. Now if you see this, you will see that my client is using a manually configured IP, and now we're going to change it to a DHCP IP. So what we're going to do is checking properties, and this is the local area connection properties, and then what we're going to do is clicking the internet protocol and simply click obtain IP address automatically and obtain the DNS server address automatically. Then click OK and finally close. Then we can see in the support section, we can see that the DHCP IP has already been configured. You can see the IP address is in the range of the IP pool. So if after this has done, we can check if the client has already connected to the internet. We can use our web server, or simply use the command prompt and ping the website such as Google. Okay, it's done. And then, sorry for the cut, now I'm going to use the second client to get an internet access from the Mikrotik. First, we're going to check the, okay, it's see here, it is manually configured. Then we're going to check the properties, internet protocol, again the properties, and just click obtain an IP address automatically, and also obtain the NSFR address automatically, and then close. So we will see the support area, and the IP is on the system on the pool range. Now we're going to check if the second client has been connected to the internet. Oh, sorry. And it did. So that is how you configure the DHCP for Mikrotik and get internet access as client. Keep in mind it is only for virtual box, but the real deal is mostly just like this. It's mostly the same. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.